The future of fast, rewarding payments is already here with Beam Wallet. To unlock instant purchases and automatic cashback, you just need one thing: to link your bank card. It's a simple process, and I'm going to walk you through every step right now. First, make sure you have the official Beam Wallet app downloaded on your smartphone. Open the app and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the Wallet or Payment Methods section. It's usually found under your My Account or Profile tab. Tap on it. Now, you should see an option to add card or link a card. Go ahead and tap that button. Beam accepts major credit, debit, and prepaid cards from Visa and MasterCard, so have your card ready. The app will prompt you to enter your card details. Carefully input the full 16-digit card number, the expiry date, and the CVV, that's the 3-digit security code on the back. For your security, you might be asked to verify the card. This often involves a small, temporary charge from Beam to your bank account, which you'll need to confirm through your bank's app or by checking your bank statement. Don't worry, the amount is usually tiny and it's quickly refunded. Once the card is successfully verified, you'll see it listed in your payment methods. You can set it as your default card right there. And that's it. Your card is now linked to your Beam Wallet. You are all set to experience the easiest way to pay and earn rewards every time you shop. Go try it out and enjoy those instant rewards.